Welcome to another video from Doc's Lock. We are on the job again. Alright, let's have a look at this one. That's pretty nasty. I mean, I don't know what this would have done. It's pretty sharp there too. Okay, so some dickheads put an entrance lock where we should have had a storeroom. Right, so what we'll do is we'll just rip it off and put another one on. So we're going to put on a 3062, which will be a much better alternative. Pretty dark and staring in there. That's going to use my removal. Okay, cap off. Rubbish. Down with the bird shit. And I'll pick all that up once I'm done. Okay, door is clear. And as you can see, Jesus, a lot of bird shit here. As you can see, what is that? Oh, there's another lock there, canopy lock. As you can see, that's just nasty. The only thing I can get out of this is the cylinder. So I'll have to put a new plug in it because I can see it's been completely rooted. So I'll get all the pins out of it, put them in a new shell, put in a new lock. We'll put one on with a spinner, and it should be a lot better than that. Okay, so my bench is a massive mess. All right, so what we're going to be doing is we're going to take this apart, decode it, repin it up into a new cylinder, and then the master key will work and everybody else's keys will work. So we'll be happy there. We're going to be using a knob on the outside so we can use ourselves a spinner, which is going to be stronger. Our lock of choice for this is a 3062 with a spinner. Now this lock is a knob lever. I'll show it to you in a minute. That down there. Okay. Let's first of all make a little bit of room. Cleanliness is not happening today. Alright, I should have a key somewhere. Just looking for my key. Here it is. So we have the unofficial master key, which I've made along the way. It works. It's not great. Right, so the only thing useful out of this is the cylinder. So let's see if we can just easily get this out without too much trouble, without cutting ourselves or anything. Nope. I can't even get. Let's see if I can get the key in there. Well, maybe. There we go. And my master key is not working. That is not good. Alright, so let's go for lock picking now. No, I mean, look at that. You really think that's going to work? Alright, next best thing, let's just go for a quick dismantle on this. Small pliers. Stripping it down basically from the back. There. See if that's enough. Maybe. Good thing about stripping it down is you get all these funky springs like this one. And go in the spring box. Probably no come in handy. Okay. The only thing good there is the spring. The rest of it's rubbish. Okay, we'll take that out. Ah, more springs. See? You get gifted all these springs when you do this type of work. Alright, now I can see the retainer which holds the knob on the front, and there is nothing holding it in place now, so I can simply just push and tap. Now the rose, which has been brutally attacked and also covered with a fair amount of bird shit, has been removed. Now we have our cylinder here, which... Okay, so that can go in the bin. Our bird shit covered handle lever bin. Okay, here is our cylinder here, so let's work with that. So I won't use that one. I just need a spike tool or a pick now. Where are we? Here we go. Push that aside. Now it's always good to keep this back little part because they often get broken and then you need one. Alright, so now to get this open, I might just try picking it just one more time, because it will save me time. Little mushroom pin, so it shouldn't be too big a challenge. There we go. Got some action. Probably didn't need to strip it down from the back after all, but then again it was a quick one. Okay, so we've got a 6-pin cylinder there. Alright, with the builder's pin that just fell out. 3062, a new one. Where's my keys? Okay, so here's my key. I'm going to take this knob off here. This is going to be tricky to do on camera. Okay, keys in, retainer. Yeah, I think we got it. Yep, got it. Okay, knob off. Okay, now we pull cylinder. Okay, now we have cylinder. Removing tailpiece. Okay, keys. Secondary follower. Alright, all top pins are good here, it's all brand new, so we're going to chuck all those pins, just like so. It's times like this I wish I had a little piece of Lego for my bench. I'm going to have to get a piece. Alright. Actually, what do I have? I have a HPC cradle. That will work nicely. Alright, chamber 1. 1 pin. Chamber 2. 2 pin. It's a 0. 0 and a 2. Oh. Don't go anywhere too. Okay. Chamber 3, just a 1. Chamber 4, a 0 and a 4. 0 and a 4. Like picking lotto numbers, or bingo numbers. Chamber 5 looks like a 2 pin to me. She's green. Chamber 6, a 3 pin with a lot of scoring on the sidewalls of that. Alright, first chamber, driver pin. Second chamber, driver pin. Third chamber, driver pin. So that's the first 3 down. We have no castaway master pins. Okay, 6 is good, 5 is good, and 4 is good. Okay, so there are no more master pins in that. So I'm happy that seems to be just the combination. But looking at that, that's not a really good combination. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to key it up to the master key. Yep, I'm just going to key it up to the master key. So we're just going to dump all that crap anyway. I was hoping that it was actually going to be a combination that they're using around the building, but it seems like this was just a rogue combination here. So if that being the case, I'm just going to key it up to the master key, and I've got a master key here which I made off another lock which works the rest of the building, so we're just going to go with that. Nobody's ever going to use this door. It's only really the caretaker that will use it once in a blue moon. And before you get going and saying what a shit key this is what came out of the lock. So whoever designed this master key like this. I personally don't think it's great because it's all basically just 1s and 0s, but just like that, bang, bang. Okay, now we're just going to test the key. Yep, it's working just fine. These parts here, I'm going to actually keep them. Oh, they're my spool pins. Where do they live? Actually, I might just put them with the spool pins. That goes there, that goes there, and one of them. Alright, that's all the good saving bits. Okay, so here now is our cylinder. Here is our lock. Cylinder in knob housing. This on the back. What are those? Okay, key in the cylinder, remembering which way it was handed, and it was handed this way. Was it this way? It was handed, which way was it handed? This way, I'm pretty sure. So we'll put the knob on like that. We're going to slide this in there like that. Give it a twist. And on the back. Wait for a click. There we go. Big hard pull. It's ready to go on the door. Alright, let's go put it on. Put this bad boy back on.
Okay, that's our video on the 3062 installing it. That was for an apartment block. If you'd like to buy any of these locks, you can from our lock shop. Simply go to drlock.com.au, just click on the store, and when you're there you can search up 3062, so 3062, and from there you'll be able to see the storeroom locks that are there. Storeroom function means from the outside it's always locked, from the inside it's always free. The one that we've used here is a lever on the inside, knob on the outside, and we also do sell that spinner as well, which is the metal ring that goes around the knob to help also prevent attacks on the outside. All of this available from our website, and thanks for watching.